Every calf raiser knows that keeping calves healthy is neither simple nor easy. That's partly due to the fact that calves, unlike humans and many other animals, are born with no immune system. They rely on both good colostrum and a clean environment to stay healthy. Hi everybody, I'm Brynn Kasten, Calf and Heifer Specialist at United Cooperative. No matter the size of operation, proper sanitation of calf feeding equipment is imperative to raising healthy calves. When it comes to proper cleaning and sanitation process, every step is as important as the next. We want to first do a warm water rinse. Avoid using hot water for this step because it will cause the fats and proteins to essentially cook onto the surface. Fats start to melt around 110 degrees Fahrenheit, so we want to make sure to keep the warm water below that temperature. Next, we want to thoroughly wash the inside and outside of the calf feeding equipment in an alkaline detergent water bath that is around 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The pH of the solution can be checked using pH strips. We want this solution to be between 11 and 12 using these pH strips. We also want to make sure that we wear thick gloves. Being that it's 140 degrees Fahrenheit, we don't want to cause any damage to our hands. This step is done to break down proteins and carbohydrates and demulsify fats. We want to allow the feeding equipment to soak in the alkaline detergent solution for at least 2 minutes. The next step is to soak the feeding equipment in an acid water bath. The pH of this solution should be between 2 and 3. This step is done to remove mineral buildup, which is a habitat for pathogens to live. We then want to allow the feeding equipment to dry. This is a very important step because when we allow the equipment to dry, we dry out the biofilm that may still be present on the equipment. A biofilm is essentially a colony of pathogens that use heat and water to form a film over themselves, making it hard for detergents and acids to remove them. This is why the final step is so important. After you have allowed the equipment to thoroughly dry, we recommend spraying the inside and outside of the equipment with 50 parts per million chlorine dioxide solution. The chlorine dioxide solution is so effective because it is a gas and it can penetrate the biofilms and remove them from hard to clean surfaces. We recommend doing this step right before you feed. Allow at least 60 seconds of contact time to allow the chlorine dioxide to gas off. This chlorine dioxide step is especially important with dealing with hard to clean biofilm bacteria like salmonella. When sanitizing hutches and pens, we recommend doing these same steps, only doing a foam system with your alkaline detergent and your acid. An important thing to also remember is to keep the floors of your calf facilities extremely clean. Your feet and your hands track a lot of disease throughout your calf facilities, and it is very important that you pay close attention to keeping them clean and sanitized. If you have any other questions regarding these steps or any other calf sanitation questions, please talk to your local United Cooperative representative.